from Underground Sound. Who's the lineup on here? Captain Swag, Raining LOL, Too Slimy, and the rest are nobodies. Go to the Twitch and join the Discord, bro. Join the community. Join the ShxllowIO gang. All right, here we go.
I'm 42.
Oh, W42. Hey.
This is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Is it?
Swag.
Captain Swag up first, man.
Swag. 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 Swex. 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 Cow swag. Swaggin'. Cow swag trappin'. Cow swag booming. Cow swag swexin'. Cow swag coming to your trap with Mac 11. Cow swag for your bitch. She said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll flat. My shooter schizophrenic.
Whoa. What was that bar?
For your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks.
I'm the type of person walking to your trap with no socks. You're the type of person to get groomed on Roblox? What?
You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll flat. My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so geeked up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag flex on Rolex like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been in? Out flexing me, nigga, I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway. What? Slick. Okay. LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag.
Wait, who's this? I didn't even know he was a new person, bro. Who is this? Who is this? I've never heard of this person in my life. Hollow Tip Hero. I thought it said something about Hollow Tip Pro or something like that. I was like, huh? Hollow Tip Hero. Interesting shoe choice. I mess with the kicks, fella.
Don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag. Hey, coming first, then you coming last. She better song, then she running back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag.
Wait, did he just say denim all up in his butt? Hold on.
Hey, coming first, then you coming last. She better Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag. Hey, coming first, then you coming last. She better song, then she running back. They going denim all over my ass.
We going denim all up in my butt? What?
Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit back and relax. Bitch, damn, sit back, smoke. Ass nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be stealing the flow. You tryna slime them, gotta let me know. I hit the ground with money on the floor. Can't come around you acting like a hoe.
Nah, this one's smooth. This one's cool. This one's cool, bro. This one's cool. It's not anything special though. It's just okay.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga match.
Alright, who is this guy? I don't know who this is. Laid. We got Laid.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga match, still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home, shit, it really ain't nothing.
Bro, this sounds like something I heard before. He's biting someone, bro. He's biting somebody's swag. Like, I don't know who it is, though. Is it Fago?
I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head. Little bit gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm really excited for Raining LOL because he's actually decent. Like, he makes decent music. Everybody else that's gone so far has been absolute nobodies. I'd never heard of him in my entire life. So, Raining LOL, we gonna see, man. Come on. I like this beat. I don't like your shoes. They don't even know how to dance to this, bro. Why is it so quiet? It's so quiet. He sounds like he's trying to be Che. Like, way too bad, bro. Who is this? Talon, where you at? Taylor? He a little chubby. Yeah, this is White Slayer. Facts.
I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing.
He looked like a construction worker.
I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me.
Wait, this guy actually hard.
I'm going overseas. Celine the double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches. Take it visas down. Rock the star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you keep it up. Both my bitches the same. Both my cars the same. Right, stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
That one was good. It was really short though. It was cool though. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, this is a terrible cipher. Is the cipher turning into a dunk contest? Yo, if I stutter one more time, like, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I just keep on stuttering, bro. Like, I just keep on stuttering. I can't even stop it, bro. Anyway, is the ciphers turning into a dunk contest? Like, I've been noticing that. Like, the actual good artists just don't want to come to a cipher anymore. It's not even just the underground ciphers. It's every cipher, bro. It's just because they're too bad. There's no comp. Yelluri, whoever that is. Turn it off, bro. Who is this? Yo. Is that Agent 00? The freak? Obvious. Yo, it's a chubby boy year, ain't it?
It's hot DBS. You don't do shit for your life, but get hammered. Turn on the pun, pull less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no, it's not a dance. Should've went motherfucker, honey wrist. Saying my tone like popping on them. And I feel they know they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist, now hoe getting candy. I'm a little truth, putting lines of tryst. They got sign for that deal. They got sign for that deal.
I mean, I guess he sticks out, but like not in a good way.
These niggas tell us still taking years in the seal. Nigga ourselves in here. These niggas pay for that hand job, bitch, no will. I'm not set by a bummy. I'm not set by a bummy like. I'm not set by a bummy. Tryna bout some shit like Kevin and Kill. In that patch of meal. Honey play, these niggas I swim. Had these niggas shot down. For the church, got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas ride around it. And it's 13, y'all 26. Look, I'm these, I funny.
Oh. Too slimy. Already bringing the energy, bro. Here we go. They don't have it boosted enough. There we go. Unironically, he the best one so far. Facts. Unironically, he the best one so far. I can't say I didn't expect that, but bro, like, I'm not even a big Too Slimy kind of guy. Actually, I cried to his album. We're not gonna talk about that though. Yo, we got Phantom.
This shit weak. Look at me, Mario, you made it geek. Hot to pay who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe he love, follow me. Boy, you can keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a none, that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words, yeah. I'm gonna make that pull out 10, they about to give me Kirk, yeah. Poppin' that RP, bitch, I'm fried, my eyes wild like dirt, like yeah. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooter got Ramadan, send him on mission, tell her rock and turn. She likes the Trish, not Burger. Beverly bitch, she Persian. If I'm not fucking your hoe,
I mean, it's okay. Like, it's not great. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Like, it's... I don't know how to explain it, bro. Like, I think the reason Too Slimy was good is because his beat was just so much better. Like, he just had so much energy on the beat, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. This one just has no energy, and every other one just had no energy, bro. Captain Swag should have brought one of them. Ooh.
If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go pretty. I'm still young, not free my bro. I'm still young, not fuck the jerk.
Yo, he did look like he could be a Puerto Rican R&B singer.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis.
Matt Proxy. I don't know who this is, but he sounds good.
I'm a mogul, I invest in women. Proxy next to Finn. It feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting.
Yo, we got a lyrical, miracle, spiritual kind of guy here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, bro. No, it's not bad, bro. It's not a bad start. It's not a bad start. It's cool.
No, it's my time. I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas in my bitch, not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug with jugging niggas.
Whoa. She on her knees calling Kaepernick? Huh?
Slap a bitch, bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug with jugging niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating, might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rat.
Nah, bro, first part was better. We're skipping this. Yo, what the? Oh my gosh, why did it just keep getting more distorted? What the? Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. I feel like half of them didn't even go. Yo, why did it just keep getting more distorted, gang? What the freak? I'm not gonna lie, that's insane. Baby Keem. Now, let me clip that real quick, bro.